What's up guys, Dassah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a hair review on this hair right here. And you guys, this hair, I was so excited, you guys. This is from Wecan on Amazon. And you guys, this is the 28 inch. Yes, you heard that right, 28 inches. I screamed. Like, you guys know me. This is me right here. Like long, wavy, black, like black hair is just on me. Like, look how long this is, y'all. Like, look at this. This is everything I could want in a wig. I was so excited. So you guys know this is a synthetic. It is heat resistant though, so you guys are able to straighten it and use hot tools on it. I just love it. I wouldn't even manipulate it. As you guys know me, once I get a wig out of a package, I don't even customize it. I just wear it how it is. That's how good these companies are when they make their wigs. Like, you don't even have to manipulate them at all. It did come with lace, and you guys, I did cut the lace on this one. So look at this deep middle part. It does only have lace in this area, so I just went ahead and shifted it to a side part. I put my little thing right here, just kind of move it behind my ear, and I'm good to go, just like this, you guys. I just absolutely love this. Like, look at the texture of this wave. Sorry, don't look at my nails, but you guys, so nice. I'm obsessed. This is gonna be my go-to hair. It's just beautiful. If you guys are interested in hearing more about this wig and looking at the details on the inside of the wig, as always, I will leave that at the end of this video. If you guys are interested in purchasing this wig yourself, go ahead and check the description box. I will have the link there. Also, I do think that there's a percentage off on this wig. I believe it is like $20, you guys. Just absolutely amazing. I just really love these wigs. It's inexpensive, good quality, and just if you are a person that likes to just put a wig on and go, perfect for you guys. So here's the packaging. It just says natural black lace wig, hand tied. It's in the color 1B. Go ahead, open it. So I just took it out the package. It does come with a wig cap, which is the one by New Fashion. You guys, look at the quality of this wig. 28 inches. Look at this. It has a little bit of lace, so it's not a full lace wig. Just right here in the beginning, just right here in the front, it just has this little area of lace. It does have a comb at the top, another comb, which helps a lot when you're wearing your wig. Now, I did notice it doesn't have a comb at the bottom, but that's okay because it does have the adjustable straps that do also help. But you guys, the quality of this wig, that wave, I love it. Look at that middle part. They got the scalp, super nice. So go ahead, check that description out. If you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now. Thumbs this video up, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.